In this video, I will show how to convert month name to number in Excel. So type equal, then date. Click on this date value. Now select this first cell, then comma, then end and 1, then closing bracket, and before that you need to write month, then serial number. So it required serial number which we have already, so just closing bracket, then press enter. Now drag and drop this value. So this way we can convert easily month name into month number. For example, if you change here, like you type October, so it will really change this month number. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you.